In today's video, I am going to teach you how to schedule posts in Hootsuite. Scheduling posts helps you stay consistent without having to remember to post at the perfect moment. It also gives you more control over timing, especially when your audience is more active at certain hours. To get started, you will first select the social account where you want the post to go. Go ahead and open Hootsuite and look for the option to create a new post. When you reach that screen, you will need to select your social account. This is usually shown as connected profiles, such as the social networks you have already linked to your Hootsuite workspace. Choose the account that matches where you want the content published. Take a moment to verify you selected the right profile, because the rest of the process will schedule the post to that specific account. Once you are sure, you are ready for the next step. Next, create your post. In the Compose area, write the message you want to share with your audience. If you want to include media such as an image or a link, add it here as well, following the options shown in the editor. Keep an eye on the preview area if Hootsuite provides one, since it can help you confirm that links, formatting, and attachments look correct before you schedule. When your post is ready and you are happy with how it appears, you can move to scheduling it for later. After you have created the post, click Schedule for Later. This is the key action that changes the publish timing from immediate posting to scheduling. On screen, you should see a scheduling option or button clearly labeled with scheduling language. Clicking it tells Hootsuite that you want to choose a specific time for publication. If you do not click this step, your post may be sent right away instead of being queued for the future. So confirm you have selected the scheduling option before continuing. Now, once you are in the scheduling settings, you will choose the date and time. Look for the date picker and the time field. Select the date when you want the post to go live, and then set the time. Pay attention to the time zone shown in Hootsuite, because scheduling depends on it. If your workspace displays a particular time zone, use that one when you choose the hour. It can also help to double-check that the time you select matches your plan, especially if you are coordinating across different platforms. When everything looks correct, you are almost finished. Finally, click Schedule. This confirms the post and places it in the scheduled queue. After you click Schedule, Hootsuite typically shows a confirmation and lists the post under your scheduled content. At this point, take a quick moment to verify that the scheduled time matches what you selected. If you see the post with the correct date and time, then the scheduling process is complete. You can also close the window or continue working, knowing your content is planned for later. That covers everything you need to know, and that is all there is to it.